What's up, YouTube? Alright, today's going to be a little something different. It's going to do a little bit of shop work today. I have a few flashings that need to be soldered. So we'll run through the steps on knocking out these flashings, soldering them. I don't know, you guys have all been exposed to soldering copper and whatnot, but today we'll do some galvanized sheet metal. So these are for pressure washers that are going in big trucks, big commercial trucks. So I don't know, it's something for the exhaust. I'm not sure exactly what all the parts are for, but we'll knock some of them out. All right, let's go. So the stuff we got are bar solder, our flux, which is muriatic acid, and a hot iron torch. So, all right, let's get to it. Alright, so that's that. There's not much involved. Not much different than soldering copper. A little bit different, but you kind of get the feel for it. And as long as the the solder flows underneath and you get full penetration underneath the ring, then you're good to go. If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you I'd like you to give it a nice like and thumbs up. You can click on the subscribe up over here and click on to follow me on Google Plus over here. This way we can stay in touch and we can you get notices when you get video updates. All right, like I said, comment below, subscribe here, follow me over here, and I will catch you guys on the next one.
And sit down.